Going to introduce our district attorney, criminal district attorney, Ricardo Rodriguez, Jr.
Thank you. Thank you. Good afternoon. I want to thank everyone for being here this afternoon for a great cause. Obviously, up here you see the constables, Gaitan, you see Constable Gallardo, you see Constable Cantu. We also have the sheriff here as well. We have Commissioner Cuellar. We have Judge Jasso, and I think we have Judge Jerry Munoz. And we also have Rodriguez here in the sheriff's office as well. And everyone who's here in attendance, thank you for being here. And besides being here, thank you for everyone who's been involved with this roundup. You know, it's been a great success throughout the years. And really we're here to give notice and announce that, you know, from today on, we have an amnesty will be in effect from now to March 5th. And what does that mean? What it means is that you have an opportunity to show up at a JP office and show up, and if you have a warrant, or if you're not sure if you have a warrant on you, you could check, and no one will get arrested at this time. Obviously, it serves a great purpose, not only for you, but it's a great purpose also for the county, because as of today, there are approximately 28,000 cases that are pending, and that adds up to about $8.8 million in fines. And throughout the years, a great amount of money has been collected due to this postcard that has been sent out to individuals who have a warrant. And if you receive this, that means that you have a warrant. And if you think you don't, then show up to the JP office, and you know you have an opportunity to talk to the staff there and try to clear it up. Or if you have a warrant, again, you can show up, as I said a while ago, and you can take care of a citation or ticket that you have. We've joined with law enforcement across the state on this warrant roundup, and again, individuals, like I said, who receive an orange postcard will be given notice and have an opportunity to show up and take care of this citation. We are not, we don't want to arrest individuals at their homes or at their work. You know, we're giving everyone an opportunity to be able to take care of any warrants or citations that are out there, you know, during this amnesty time. You know, I've talked to most of the constables who are here, and to the JP judges. Again, we don't want to make these arrests at your house or at work. You know, we want to give you an opportunity to take care of your warrants, you know, throughout this amnesty period. And what happens is, if you've already figured it out, that if you have a warrant for your arrest, you know, when you try to get your registration for your vehicle, may not be able to. When you try to renew your license as well, maybe you haven't gone because you have a warrant for your arrest on a citation. So again, we urge you and we ask that you please take advantage of this amnesty. We are all here working together in a collaborative effort to try to give you the opportunity to again, take care of the citation or warrant that you might have, and you can work something out with the JP office and also the district attorney's office. So again, I want to thank everyone who's here today. And again, I want to stress that this is just a notice to everyone to please come in and take care of any citation that you might have pending. And again, we don't want to go to the extreme of arresting anyone. Now, if you don't take care of, or you don't take advantage of the amnesty from now to March 5th, starting from March 5th to March 13th of this year, then that's when the roundup will begin. And that's where all law enforcement officers will go out there and try to collect on these citations and also enforce the warrants. So again, thank you for your attention, and hopefully you will go take care of any warrants or citations that you might owe. And again, it serves a great purpose for the county as well, so we can be able to collect all these outstanding monies that are out there. So thank you very much again. I'm not sure if anyone would like to make a comment. I'm not sure if I introduced Commissioner Cuellar, who's also here, who's one of the commissioners for the county and also has very involved in the warrant roundup as well. So at this time, I'll open up the mic for anyone who wants to maybe address.
Good afternoon. I'm Constable Marty Cantu with the Precinct 2 Constable's Office. This is a collaborative effort within the state of Texas, but also here in Hidalgo County with the 4 Constable's Office, the Sheriff's Office, and the DA's Office. So what we want to do is we want to stress to everybody who does have a warrant out there to take advantage of the amnesty period and come in and take care of the warrants. If you don't think you have one, you can always make a phone call, and the JP's office will let you know if you do, and you can come in and take care of it. It helps to alleviate any of the problems that you're going to have, like the DA said, at the license plate office or at the driver's license office. So if you have warrants outstanding, you're going to have problems taking care of those things. So we just want to stress the amnesty period up to March 5th. And from March 5th to March 13th will be the warrant roundup. Save yourself the embarrassment of being arrested either at work, at your home, or on a traffic stop. So we ask that you come in or make that effort, that small effort, to find out if you have a warrant or not. So thank you for your time.
Buenas tardes, yo soy el Constable Gaitan del Precinto número 4. Aquí estamos nosotros presentes con las autoridades locales. Nada más les queremos decir a la comunidad que no estamos aquí para arrestar a individuos que tienen órdenes de arresto. Estamos aquí para ayudarlos, por eso tenemos esta noticia aquí. Aquí estamos presentes, nuestros locales, y también me da mucho gusto de que nos encontramos con todo el estado de Texas, tratando de colectar estos fondos, tratando de darles una chance a la comunidad que tienen estas cosas pendientes. Nosotros trabajamos muy cerca con los cortes de jueces de paz, y los fondos que se están pagando son bien notados. A la persona agarrar la tarjeta siempre nos hablan a nosotros, y le queremos decir a la comunidad que ellos hablando para la oficina de nosotros o que vengan a hacer algunas preguntas o algunos arreglos, nosotros no los vamos a detener. Nosotros les vamos a dar la oportunidad de que ellos van con el juez de paz a tratar de arreglar el asunto que tienen pendiente. Y otra vez les recuerdo, por favor, al público que no estamos aquí para arrestar a nadie, pero si acaso no arreglan el tiquetito o el citation que tienen, entonces sí vamos a ser forzados nosotros a ir a tocar en las puertas y arrimar a estos individuos a las cortes de juez de paz. Muchísimas gracias y que Dios los bendiga.
One thing that I'd like to add that I didn't mention is that on the card that one receives, if they have a warrant for the arrest, obviously it's something like this as I showed you earlier, but it also has a website on there that you can go online and also take care of the fines or citation that you might owe. Okay? So thank you again. I'm not sure if anyone would like to address. Thank you.
Yeah, Larry Gallardo, Constable, Precinct 3. Just a note that to our constituents out there that we are working. I mean, we all are they're our bosses, our constituents out there, and as you think and multiply all these warrants, how much money is owed back to the county and to the others that are owed by collecting this. I mean, there's millions of dollars. I know Commissioner Cuellar is here. As you know, general fund is sometimes up and sometimes it's down, and this would be a big help if we were able to collect all that is owed. So it's not that we're out there to arrest anybody. All they got to do is call their local constable or local JP and take care of this. So if we're able to make an effort and maybe, keeps our taxes down, this is part of it. So just to let the constituents out there know that this is a big effort. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Jaime Munoz. I'm the Justice of the Peace in Precinct 2. And just to reiterate what our district attorney and some of the constables have said this afternoon, if you have any doubt or any question with respect to any possible warrant or ticket that may be on the system pertaining to you, I urge you to contact the justice courts. We're there to help you. We're there to serve you during your lunch hour, before work, or after work. And what we're trying to do is get you to take care of anything that may be outstanding on your terms and on your time so that it doesn't become inconvenient for you or your family. And so we ask you to visit the justice courts, call us. You can log on to the website. If you're not familiar how to use it, by all means, circle by one of the Justice of the Peace offices, and we'll be more than glad to help you. Thank you.
Buenas tardes todos. My name is Homer Jasso, Justice of the Peace. And I was going to say something, but it looks like the DA and the constables said about everything already. So if you have any questions, feel free to come by my office or any JP office. And if you have problems paying the fine, come and sit down with a JP and we can work something out so you won't be arrested. But you have to take care of this the citations. If I can be of any help to anybody, feel free to go by my office and talk to me. Thank you.
Yes, I'm A.C. Cuellar Jr., and I think this is a great opportunity to all the constituents, anybody that's got tickets, and I think it's very important. One, you clear out your name. Sooner or later you're gonna get caught. You're gonna be in trouble. It's gonna cost you more. So the best thing, come up, and whoever came up with this great idea, I think it's good. Take advantage of it, and we're all there. I'm sure all the JPs and any law enforcement will be ready to help you all out and find out if you have a warrant or not. But I think in the long run, it's good for everybody. It'll be good personally for you all, because whoever's got the warrant, sooner or later you're gonna get stopped, you're gonna get locked up, and it's gonna cost you more money. So please take advantage of it. It's a great opportunity to clear your name. So thank you very much.
Sir, just to clear this up, was there any restrictions as far as to what kind of warrants are going to be?
Well, let's get up to questions right after.
Yeah, these warrants are first of all, Eddie Guerra, Hidalgo County Sheriff. We want to address real quick. Obviously, I'd rather not have individuals with Class C tickets booked into my county jail. So I urge those that do have warrants, take advantage of this amnesty period. And again, you have till March 5th. After March 5th, the constables will go on out there and be knocking on your doors. They're going to have that information of where you live, possibly where you work. That's on those tickets, and they're going to come out. And they're going to come after you. And I know that the JPs, if you have a warrant, if you go talk to these JPs, they'll work something out with you. The last case, the worst case scenario is that you can't do anything. You're going to be booked in the county jail. But if that's what it takes, that's what it takes. So we'll take again, real quick. These are just what we're talking about here are warrants that are pending in the justice courts, the 8 justice courts here in Hidalgo County. The IT department put together the list and sent those mailers out, and these are what we're talking about right now as far as the warrant roundup.
Okay, we're going to open it up to questions, and please, whoever's answering, if you could speak into the mic, because we are live streaming. If you could do the courtesy of allowing them to get to the mic. Thank you. Go ahead, any questions?
So this happened last year as well? It happened yearly?
Yes.
So how much funds did you guys receive last year?
Do we have it?
Renan, you have those?
You have those figures, Ron?
From the Warrant postcard program, there was over.
Renan Ramirez, Chief Information Officer, IT Director for the county. As it pertains to we didn't do a big media push on last year's warrant roundup, so we calculated the numbers of what fell within the range of the program that we currently have, which is a postcard program we've been doing for over a year. And we collected about 38,000, I want to say off the top of my head. Now, we actually expect a lot more because we are now actively reaching out to constituents with a specialized postcard and the outreach from law enforcement. That's just a part of the overall general postcard initiative that the county started last year. That one in total has yielded $2.4 million since February of last year. It gets divided. I'm not exactly sure what the mechanism is. That's not my question to answer. Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay. Excuse me.
Any other questions? Okay, then I guess that'll do it.
Thank you all.
Thank you all for coming.